reason that I was excited to go to work for the Humane Society of the United States was, one, the program that they created, Global Animal Partnership, that my farm group sells under, is theirs. They're one of the sponsors of it along with Whole Foods. And so they helped create the market that allows my family to continue to raise pigs when most people can't find a way to do that.
The animals are rooting, they're playing, they're running around in a manner that, might I say, they're happy.
To Meatopia. There is a place where I'd like to be, where fatty pork chops cushion your feet. The smell of bacon rides on the breeze, and we'll all join hands.
We're here at Amstel Light Meatopia, presented by Whole Foods Market. Hi, I'm Josh Ozerski, and welcome to Whole Foods Market's Best Butcher Contest, my unbelievable meat event with some of the greatest meat chefs, farms, farm producers, and animals anywhere in the country. 11 of the greatest butchers in the entire Whole Foods Market system are all going to cross their knives today.
We're joined by Reese Lagunas. He is deemed the best butcher in Austin from Whole Foods. We are so glad he's here this morning, and he brought his big, gigantic knife.
Over here we got a lamb saddle that has 2 legs on there and 2 loins.
Now what is this piece here you're cutting? A Saratoga chop. I never even heard of that. These beautiful little rib chops here. Are you going to foam these out as their own little rib? Oh, we got a little secret here. He's got some moves.
All these lambs are raised under the strict Whole Food standards. No antibiotics, no hormones, completely humanely raised.
And a group of us market about 900 to 1,100 head certified humane pigs a week into Whole Foods and other markets around the country for a premium. Today, I'm shipping hogs. I shipped hogs on Tuesday. I got $30 a head premium above the market price.
I really like to introduce now Meehan Parks. He is the Director of Global Animal Partnership.
Well, first I want to say a huge thank you to Amstel Light and Whole Foods Market for bringing us all out here. And to all of the chefs and to every single person here who's come out, braved the heat, to support all of these 11 finalists. I mean, truly the best of the best across the entire country. And most importantly, for supporting higher farm animal welfare.
Okay, this is pig head stuffed with scrapple, with Oregon chow chow, and a buttermilk biscuit. This was kind of inspired because my pig farmers were running, they had like a surplus of pig heads. So what we did is we took the face off of the pig's head, we butterflied it out.
What we did was we actually roasted a whole steer, which is a whole cow. We did it like a little, this box, they kind of manufactured it themselves.
It's all about just introducing people to this amazing breed of pig, the Mangalitsa, known for its fat, and it's the king of lard.
How you doing? My name is Dan Urberg. I'm the meat coordinator for Northern California Whole Foods Market. And I love this event. It's been great. It's great exposure for the meat program. Get more people to eat meat and see what Whole Foods does.
This is it, the final round.
I believe God created this whole world and all in it, and that we were created to have dominion over the animals, just like the good books have.
This is a major piece of meat.
Countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
We have a responsibility to those animals. They're to nourish our bodies, but while they're here, we're to care for them and respect them because God created them.
Look at this. They should dip this in gold and have this be the trophy.
95% of the Humane Society of the United States eat meat, the blood of meat. They're not a bunch of a vegan organization like I hear. I love. We take one of our pigs, and every big holiday it's on a roaster, and we're having a whole hog barbecue. So a lot of things you hear just isn't so.